Hello students, come on the today's topic of partnership, that is adjustment in the closed accounts. The another name of that topic is past adjustment. But before knowing the topic, we have to know what is adjustment. Adjustment means the mistakes we made in the past, improving it is called past adjustment. Those mistakes are something like this: when interest on capital or drawing may have been forget by the partners to give in the past, that is one type of error. Second one, when profit and loss have been distributed in the wrong ratio in the past, that is another type of error. Third one, when profit sharing ratio has been altered with the effect from the some past date. For example, in the year 2015, the ratio of profit distribution is 3 to 2 to 1, and now in the year 2018 the ratio of profit distribution is 1 is to 1 is to 1. It means that is the case of altered with effect. Next one, when salary or commission payable to a person is also has been omitted, that all errors can do in the past may correct in the past adjustment account with the passing a single adjustment entry. But before understanding this concept, let's revise the previous topic, profit and loss appropriation account, because this topic is totally depend on the last topic, profit and loss appropriation account. Format of profit and loss appropriation account. Here two sides are given, debit side or credit side. In debit side, four items are important, or in credit side, two items are important. The four items are two salaries of the partners, commission of the partners, interest on capital of the partners, and profit. So the four topic is salary, commission, interest on capital, and profit. Here the two important topic, interest on drawing or loss. Now come on the today's topic, that is past adjustment. For understanding the concept past adjustment, I am giving a trick to understand the question. The trick is, if in the question not given word is given or omitted word is given, that time we will have to do opposite entry. If in the question already given word is given, that time we will have to do correct entry. In the case of not given or omitted, opposite entry. In the case of already given, we will have to do correct entry. By understanding the whole concept, let's take an example. After the account of the partnership have been drawn up, the books closed off, it is discovered that interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum was provided in the partnership agreement has been omitted. It is the case of omitted. Omitted, in that time we will have to do opposite entry. And the partners forget to do interest on capital at the rate of 8%. We already discussed that interest on capital is calculated on the opening capital, and the opening capital is 8 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh, and the profit sharing ratio was 2 is to 1 is to 1. Past adjustment entry. Now come on the solution. First of all, we have to calculate interest on capital because the question is related from interest on capital. First of all, we have to calculate interest on capital. 8% that is given in the question of 8 lakh. 8 lakh is the capital of A. 8 lakh multiply 8 divide by 100, that is 64,000. 8% of 4 lakh, that is 32,000. And 8% of 3 lakh, that is 24,000. Sum of all 1 lakh 20,000. Now come on the second step, that is adjustment account. Here there are three partners in the firm, A, B and C, that is given in the question. A, B, C are the partners and collectively they are called firm. So A, B, C and firm. There are four columns in the questions. Now particular A, B, C. Interest on capital comes on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So It is the case of omission, so it can be entered in the credit side. Debit side entered in the credit side. 64,000 we had already calculated, 32,000 that already calculated, and 24,000, and sum of all these 1,20,000. Here the important information is that debit balance of partners is equal to credit balance of firm. If anything that comes in the debit side of the partners, that is also comes on the credit side of the firm, or anything that comes in the credit balance of the partner is equal to debit balance of the firm. Here it is 64,000, 32,000 and 24,000 is in credit side of the partner. Credit side of the partner means debit side of the firm. Now total of 1,20,000, here also 1,20,000, and balancing figure is in credit side of the firm, that is 1,20,000. Credit of firm means debit of the partners. 1,20,000 distributed in the ratio 2:1:1, that is profit sharing ratio, that is given in the question. The A's ratio is 2, and sum of all these 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 1,20,000 multiply 2 divide by 4, that we get 60,000. 1,20,000, B's ratio is 1, and sum of all these 4, and we get 30,000. And then C, 1,20,000, the ratio of C is 1, total of all these 4, and we get 30,000. Now credit side of the firm is debit side of the partner, so it's come on the debit side, 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Sum of all these 60,000, the total of credit is 64,000, here the total is 30,000, here the total is 32,000, here the total is 30,000, and now the total is 24,000. After comparing the A's column, debit side or credit side, we get 4,000 greater in credit side. Here by comparing B's column, we can found that 2,000 is greater than in credit side. Now comparison in the C, we can found 6,000 is greater in the debit side. So credit balance of C, credit balance of A, credit balance of B, and debit balance of C. C's account is debited and A and B's account is credited according to this adjustment account. Come on the journal entry. C's capital account debit, because here we get debit balance, and A's capital account to B's capital account, because we can get credit balance of A and B by rupees 4,000 and 2,000 and 6,000. Here it is 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. That is adjustment entry, and the narration is being adjustment entry done. With the single entry we can adjust the whole transaction. Let's take another question, that is Anil, Sunil and Sanjay have been omitted. It is also case of omission. In the case of omitted, that time opposite entry. Interest on capital for 2 years. Anil, Sunil and Sanjay have been omitted to give the interest on capital for 2 years. Ended on 31st March 2016. Their fixed capital, here the important word is fixed capital, in 2 years were 8 lakh, 7 lakh and 3 lakh. The rate of interest is also given 10%. Their profit sharing ratio were in the first year. The profit sharing ratio for first year is 4:3:2, and the second year 3:2:1. Give necessary journal entry. According to solution, step 1, we will have to calculate interest on capital, that is 10% of 8 lakh, 10% of 7 lakh and 10% of 3 lakh. 10% of 8 lakh, that is 80,000, 10% of 7 lakh, that is 70,000, and 10% of 3 lakh, that is 30,000. Sum of all these 80,000 plus 70,000 plus 30,000, total is 1,80,000. Step 2, adjustment account. Here particular, there are 3 partners, Anil, Sunil and Sanjay. Collectively they are called firm. 2 columns of each partner, debit side or credit side. Debit or credit in the column of Sanjay, debit or credit in the column of firm, debit or credit. Here they forget to give interest on capital for 2 years. Interest on capital for first year and interest on capital for second year. We already calculated 80,000, 70,000 and 30,000. Interest on capital comes on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation accounts. It means opposite of debit means credit side in the adjustment account. So it comes on the credit side. 80,000, 70,000 and 30,000 for year first and 80,000, 70,000 and 30,000 for year second. And sum of all these 1,80,000. Credit balance of the partners is debit balance of the firm. 1,80,000 and 1,80,000. Sum of 180 that is 360. Here we get two balancing figures because the profit sharing ratio in both the cases is different. In the first year the profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. In the case of second year 4:3:2:1. If there is one profit sharing ratio, that time we occur only one balancing figure. But if two profit sharing ratio is given in the question, that time we occurs two balancing figure. Here two ratio is given, that's why we will calculate two balancing figure. First year balancing figure is 1,80,000 and second year balancing figure is 1,80,000. That first year 1,80,000 distributed in the ratio 4:3:2. 1,80,000, 4 and total 4 plus 3 plus 2 that is 9. 1,80,000 multiply 4 divide by 9 we get 80,000. 1,80,000 multiply 3 divide by 9 that is 60,000. 1,80,000 multiply 2 total of these 9 we get 40,000. For the second year the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So the first partner's ratio is 3 and sum of all these 3 plus 2 plus 1 that is 6 and we get 90,000. Second partner's ratio is 2. 1,80,000 multiply 2 and sum of all these 6. We are getting 60,000. And third partner's ratio is 1. 1 and sum of all these 6 we get 30,000. Now here it is, the balance is in credit side. Credit balance of the firm is debit balance of the partners. So first year's balance 80,000, 60,000, 40,000 that we have already calculated, and the second year's balance that is 90,000, 60,000 and 30,000 we mention on the debit side 90, 60 and 30 because it is in the credit side. So credit of firm is debit of the partners. After totaling all the columns 80 plus 90 that is 170, 80 plus 80 that is 160, 60 plus 60 that is 120, 70 plus 70 that is 140, 40 plus 30 that is 70,000 and 30 plus 30 that is 60,000. Here by comparing Anil's column we get 10,000 is greater than in debit side. By comparing Sunil's account we get 20,000 is greater in the credit side. By comparing Sanjay account we found that 10,000 is greater in the debit side. So Anil and Sanjay get the debit balance and Sunil get the credit balance. So we can debited Anil's account and Sanjay's account and credited Sunil's account. The journal entry is Anil's current account debit, Sanjay's current account debit to Sunil's current account by 10,000, 10,000 and total is 20,000. Here we put on current account in the place of capital account because I already mentioned it is the case of fixed capital. If it is given in the question that is fixed capital, that time we mention in the journal entry current account. If generally question is given that Anil's capital fixed word is not given, that time we put capital account. For understanding this concept much better, let's take another question. On 1st April 2015, the capitals of A and B were 4 lakh and 2 lakh. The important information is 4 lakh and 2 lakh, that is the capital. They divided profit in the ratio, capital ratio. Profit for the year ended 31st March were rupees 3 lakh, which have been duly distributed among the partners. But the following transactions were not passed. It is also case not given. In the case of not given, we can do opposite entry. Here interest on capital is 12%, interest on drawing that is already given 12,000 and 10,000, commission of B that is given 20,000 and salary of A that is 50,000. Now we will have to make adjustment account. In adjustment account, before making adjustment account, now revise the topic. Interest on capitals comes in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawing comes in the credit side. Commissions comes on the debit side and salary comes on the debit side. It is the case of not given, so all the items can be reversed. Debit is reversed in the credit and credits reverses in the debit. Now adjustment account, there are two partners A and B. Collectively they are called firm. In each column there are two separate columns, debit side or credit side. In the B's column, debit or credit. In the firm's, debit side or credit side. First of all, interest on capital. Interest on capital 12% of 4 lakh and 12% of 2 lakh. 12% of 4 lakh that is 48,000 and 12% of 2 lakh that is 24,000. Interest on capital comes on the debit side, so we mention on the credit side. Credit balance of the partners is called debit balance of the firm. 48 plus 24 that is 72. Second one, interest on drawing comes on the credit side. So opposite of credit that is debit side. So debit of A 12,000 and debit of B 10,000 and sum of all these 22,000 comes on the credit side in the firm's column. The third point is commission of B. Commission of B comes on the debit side and opposite of that credit side. So in the column of B it comes on the credit side. Partner's credit is called firm's debit. So credit of B is called debit of firm. Next topic is salary of A. Salary of A is also comes in the debit side, so that comes in the credit side by rupees 50,000. Credit balance of partner is debit balance of firm by rupees 50,000. After totaling all these, we are getting 1,42,000. Here also 1,42,000 and the balancing figure is 1,42,000 minus 22,000. We will get 1,20,000. That 1,20,000 comes in the credit side. That distributed in the profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is capital ratio. Capital ratio we can calculate with the following ways. 4 lakh that is A's capital and 2 lakh that is B's capital. After eliminating that we can get the ratio 2:1 and that 1,20,000 is distributed in the ratio 2:1 and we get 80,000 and 40,000. Sum of all these columns 12,000 plus 80,000 we are getting 92,000. 48,000 plus 50,000 we are getting 98,000. 10,000 plus 40,000 we are getting 50,000. 24,000 plus 20,000 we are getting 44,000. By comparing A's column we are getting credit side is greater than debit side by rupees 6,000. By comparing B's column we are getting debit side is greater than the credit side by rupees 6,000. Now comes on the journal entry here, B debited and A credited. The journal entry is B's capital account debit to A's capital account by rupees 6,000. Being adjustment done. Now the topic is finished.